PetKeptSecrets.com is proud to present another great video to assist you with training your dog. We will be covering the crate training method of house training. This method is very effective and will quickly teach your dog the proper place to use the bathroom. Dogs will not use the bathroom in a place where they sleep or lay down unless it is a serious emergency. As long as you can get a crate that is not too big and do not leave your dog locked up for a prolonged period of time, they will not use the bathroom in their crate. A young puppy will need to go out often. It is said that a dog can hold their bladder for as many hours as they are months old. Therefore, a 1-month-old puppy can hold it for 1 hour, 2 months, 2 hours, and so on. When purchasing a crate, be sure that it is the proper size. Get one that is going to be big enough for your dog when they are full grown and has a divider wall to adjust to their size as they are growing. A puppy should be able to move and turn around freely in their crate, but there should not be a lot of available floor space once they lay down. You don't want your puppy to be able to walk to one side of the crate and go to the bathroom and be able to lie down on the other side of the crate without lying in their waist. Your puppy will do that if they can, and it will greatly hinder the training process. Keep your puppy in its crate. Establish a routine where you let them out once an hour. Once you let them out of their crate, immediately put them on a leash and take them out to use the bathroom. You want to take your dog out of the same door each time you take them out to use the bathroom. This will establish one exit of the house they associate with going to the bathroom. Once your dog is out of the crate, walk them repeating the phrase, "Go pee," or whatever phrase you choose for your command. If your puppy uses the bathroom, reward them with a treat and give them love and attention. It is important that you reward your dog immediately after they use the bathroom. You should also have treats in your pocket when you take your puppy outside, ready to give them. This will allow them to realize that their use of the bathroom is the desired behavior you wish them to achieve. If your puppy uses the bathroom, you can bring them back inside and give them some playtime. Let them run around for a bit and play with them before putting them back in their crate. If your puppy does not use the bathroom, simply bring them back inside with no treat, no reward or attention or playtime. Simply walk them directly back to their crate and put them back in. During crate training, be sure to set up a regular eating and drinking schedule. Talk with your vet about how often your puppy will need to eat and drink and how much food and water they will need. Anytime you allow your puppy to eat or drink, they should be taken outside immediately after. After eating and drinking, be sure to spend a little more time than usual outside with your dog. They will use the bathroom shortly after eating and drinking, so be sure to give them the opportunity to do it outside. You want to set your puppy up for success. Crate training is very effective because it eliminates your pet's ability to have an accident inside your house. The goal of house training is to eliminate accidents and quickly establish where your pet should use the bathroom. The effectiveness of crate training may vary, but it can take as little as 1 to 2 weeks with no accidents in the house.
PetKeptSecrets.com is a one-of-a-kind social network that allows pets, pet owners, pet-related businesses, and nonprofit organizations to establish connections with each other to form a tight-knit community that centers around the welfare of the animals we love. On the Pet Kept Secrets website, you can join our social network and create a profile for all your pets and pet-related businesses. You can post photos, videos, and content to connect with your friends and search for new people or pets in our community. Pet Kept Secrets also allows you to search for any pet-related business or nonprofit organization, such as veterinarians, breeders, adoption shelters, pet-friendly hotels and parks, trainers, pet supply stores, and more. Be sure to check out our blog and discussion forum where you can read the latest pet news and post topics, videos, photos, concerns, or lost and found articles for everyone to view and comment on. Pet Kept Secrets is designed to easily allow users to access any and every resource they may need to simplify their lives as pet owners. Be sure to check us out at PetKeptSecrets.com.